everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today, this is going to be a collaboration video between myself and a few other ladies. If you remember a few weeks back or a couple of months back, I did a sale of these brand new acrylic stamping plates from hlacosedora all the way from Colombia. Excuse me, I made them available to, I had 10 orders, or I made them available to, I had 10 sets available. And so the ladies and I decided I thought it would be a good idea to do a collaboration, since we were the first, I'm proud to say we were the first, and hopefully not still the only ones, to own these set of stamping plates in the United States, okay? So I thought it will be a good idea to do a collaboration, breaking into the stamping plates. They're so beautiful, and I can understand some of the ladies, like, they didn't want to even dare to put any polish on these, and I know the feeling. I felt the same way the first time I got them. Anyways, so I will go ahead, I will have pictures of their designs here on the videos so you guys can show them some love, and let me put on the screen the hashtag that you may follow, find, and so you can see these designs and show them some love. The hashtag is, I will put it across the screen, but yes, there it is, hlacosedora USA Girls, and that stands for hlacosedora USA Girls because, like I said, we were the first girls in the USA to own these stamping plates, and I'm proud of that. I'm proud of these girls. Go and show them some love. They did beautiful designs. We had a lot of fun doing this collab, which that was the point. A couple of the ladies here, they had never done anything like this before, but I can tell they had a lot of fun playing with these, and I'm very happy for that. So that is it for this intro. I will go ahead and leave you with the design, or the tutorial on how I did my design, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. And this is the final result, as you saw before. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and go show the girls some love. Not everybody has an account on every platform, but the ones that you do find, give them some love. I hope you guys give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.